Hey there, welcome to How to Master. Easy and step-by-step tutorials. Today I will show you how to generate custom sound effects in Elevenlabs. So let's get started. First, on the main page, go to the sound effects option. Type your prompt here. Once you type it, just click on the Generate button. Now, it will generate custom sound effects for you. You can choose any sound effect and just download it. In this way, you can easily generate custom sound effects in Elevenlabs. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and share. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.